Chioma, you're welcome to class. Hello, Chioma, you're welcome to class.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
So today we are going to talk on lists, or we are going to talk on username and password validation. Username and password validation. Normally in our mobile phone we have password and also we have a username. So username is the name given to a particular person. So and also password validation is the ability to secure or validate a particular password of a person. So for example, have you ever used Facebook before? Praise. Hello, Praise.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Praise.
Yes, sir.
So you have used Facebook before. So when you log in Facebook, it will ask you for password, right?
Yes. Password and email or phone
Yes.
number.
Password and
Yes.
email or phone number. Password
It's
and
used
email or
for
phone number.
validation. It's used for validation in the sense that only one person to one Facebook account, and that process of validating, it will check your previous password. Okay, at the beginning it will ask you to confirm your password. It will ask you to confirm your password.
So I can't
Or
hear you.
I said this validation is really helpful for those people who love to be or who love to keep their account secure, their Facebook account secure. So that is the importance of validation. It's used for security purpose. Hope you are hearing me now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now for us to create a password validation, we have to create a variable name called list of user. List of user, then we declare an empty um list. So that empty list is where the user impute his details, and everything that is being imputed will be append there. So now this append, we talked about it on a list. So append is used to append your input to your empty list. So you see we created a variable and empty list, and we created a password with a string, just a string, right? Hello. Did you see
Yes, I'm
user
hearing you.
is equal to input before I go forward?
Sir?
Sir? The
Did you
network.
see user is equal to input?
Yes.
Yeah, use equals to input
Yeah, use equals to
brackets.
input
Enter your
brackets.
preferred username.
Enter your preferred username.
Yes.
It's a string.
So we created an input for user to enter their preferred We are going to perform a check on it. We are going to use the membership. We are going to user is already taken. User has already taken. Did you see it? It will tell you user has already taken. Now, when the username is being imputed, when it's just the first or the correct username or password, it will tell you successfully. Hello, it's still connecting. So I don't really know. Network is really kind of bad. Let's wait. It's still connecting. It's still connecting. Now it has connected. I'm going to run our first uh, list of user and the list of the password. Then I'm going to run this and see. Now let me take a new password. Let me take a new password called Chioma. So I was kicked out by network. I was kicked out by network. Still showing. Hello, I'm back.
Yes,
I
sir.
was
So I
kicked
can,
out.
yeah, we can hear you. Can see this your screen as well. Good evening, sir.
Hello, Praise. Are you seeing my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Yes, I can see your screen. Yes, I can see your screen.
Hello, are you seeing my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello, Praise, are you seeing my screen?
Yes, I'm seeing your screen. I can
Yes,
see
I
your
see your
screen.
screen. I can see your screen. I can see your screen.
Are you seeing my screen? Hello.
Oh, no.
Hello? Hello?
I'm hearing you. Hello. So if you are in class,
I'm in class. I can hear you.
okay, Savior, did you see that the user and the password have been created?
Yes, you can see.
Okay, we take the new password and we imputed a new password and a username. So, and we are going to run it again to see if we take the same username and password, what will be our error or response? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let me run the first. Let me run the second. I'm going to take Chioma P, and the password I'm going to say 12345. It's still said created. Maybe I'm missing something.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Chioma P. Okay, did you see it said already be taken?
Well doing,
You
taken.
see?
Yes.
Yeah, this is how to validate it. So the next is we are going to see other type where the user we press yes and now we are going to declare a variable called login, and we are going to assign it to an input. Then we said enter yes to sign in or no to sign out. Then I will use lower credit. I will use lower cases.
Okay.
Then if the login yes or y, if the person enter yes or y, then it will check the password. It will tell the person to enter his password then which it will use input, then enter password. Then it will also check if the password is equal to, now if the person have imputed this password, it will check the variable name, check password check and password. It will go here to check for this password if the password is inside this string. Then once the password is inside, it will successfully log in and it will say hello world. But if it's not there, if it's there, it will say incorrect. We hate to see you go. Did you see it? So I'm going to run it. Now I'm going to sign in. I'm going to sign in. Now I will sign in yes. I will enter password. Let me use CM Tech. You see, incorrect password. It said incorrect password. Let me run
Yes.
again. I want to say yes. I want to enter password. CM Tech. Incorrect password. Why? Because CM Tech is not the same password with Choma. You know, we use.
Yes.
I'm coming. I will say yes. Then I will enter. You know, we use Choma P and 12345 as the password 12345. Now I want to enter the Choma P password 12345. Did you see it? It's running.
No.
It will give me
Okay.
access to it. Yes, did you see? It said hello world. It has already given me access to it. This is how the validation work. Now we want to see the user validation, how to the user is being validated. We are going to use a calling bracket for user, which the username, it will accept an input to enter username. Then if the user is not, if the user is not in key, is not in key, like if the user, okay, I hope you got what I just explained. Hello,
Sir?
hello. Okay, hope
Yes,
you
sir. I,
understood
I
what I
get,
just said.
I got up to yes, up to the hello world. So is this a username and password validation?
Hello,
Yes. Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So can you hear me?
Sir, we can't hear you.
We can't hear you. We can't hear
can you can you explain what uh can you explain what I taught you just now? Hello,
you. Yeah, So I think I can explain it. So can you hear me? I said I can explain it. Hello, sir. Is there anybody still on the call?
Was have issue, so I was really having issue with network. So let me share my screen back, okay? Please don't be angry. Hello, Savior.
Hello, sir. I'm on the call. I'm on the call.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Yes, sir. Can hear you.
Okay, can you explain what I've teach you so far?
Yeah, I was saying yes. I can explain this. The one I met,
Okay.
the one that
Okay.
ended at that hello word.
Continue. Yes. Continue. Just explain. Explain.
Okay, can you scroll down? Scroll, go up
So let me
before this one.
scroll. So let me scroll. Can you explain from the beginning? Okay. Just explain. Look
Okay,
at
yeah.
it here. Okay. Explain.
Okay, so we are using we're treating username and password validation.
Hello.
Yeah, can you hear? So can you hear me? I'm explaining now. Yeah, so I'm saying that
Yes, I can hear
from
you now.
yes, from what I met, we're treating username and password validation. So we declare the variable username, and we said it's equals to is an input function where they are going to enter a username of whoever is going to use the function. So we said if the username is username not in user dot keys, that's in the user among the users that we have declared if the user is not there. So now, so, so I don't know, is it supposed to be not in here?
So look at it. We are using the
Okay.
key. We are using the key to check. Now the username,
Yes.
we said the user should collect an input username. Then they said if user is not in
Not
key,
in.
user key, this is user
Yes.
key. This is a variable. We declared a set user key. Do you understand? We create an empty set, an empty dictionary.
Yes, ma. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I think I understand what you're saying. That if the user is in the empty
Hello.
set, so they are
Yeah,
going to check.
empty. This is an empty dictionary.
Yes.
So dictionary is key and value.
Okay.
So we said if the user key, if username not in user key,
Yes.
meaning if this username is not here, then it will impute the password. Then it will check again if username is equal and the username are equal with the
Password.
user. It will say it will accept the username, but if it's not in that, it has already been taken. Now let me run it. Let me run the first code.
Okay.
Okay, now it has run. So let me run. Now the username, now I want to impute user. Let me write CMTech. The password one
Yes.
two three four
So,
five.
so according to the explanation, does it mean it means that CMTech is not in the user function?
Yes,
Okay.
it's not inside. It will
That's why you
automatically
said
accept.
password.
See, I'm creating a new username. Do you understand? I'm
Yes.
creating a new username.
Okay.
So
Okay. Okay. Okay.
if the username is not inside here, it
Yes.
will automatically add it.
Okay.
Understand? But if
Yeah.
it's inside, okay. Now let me run again. See, you see, I've added CMTech and 1 2 3 4 5. Now let
Yes.
me run it again. Let me see CMTech again. Did you see CMTech has already been taken?
Yes.
So this
Okay.
is how the username works. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now this is also a code. Now this is login process. Now we are going to ask the username, the persons to enter his login, which it will accept input yes to sign in and no to log out. Then everything will be in lowercase. Everything will be in lowercase. So then we say if login in yes, or Y. Then login is enter username. That means it will enter the input username in a lowercase. Then it will enter check in a lowercase. Then it will perform its validation. For username in key, for username in user key, okay, if user underscore check is equal to username, and also
Yes.
this is a nested if, then it will also perform an if statement again. If the password is equal to user get username, automatically we want to print line under. So this is how to print line, this line. Now it will tell you successfully login, then the username in capital in title case. But if this condition, if it did not meet the condition, it will run a password error or we hate to see you. Okay, now
Yes.
let me run it. Let me run it. Let me enter yes.
Same thing.
I'm coming.
Okay.
So I'm back. Now I want to enter. I've entered yes. Now I want to enter a new username or username which is password. I want to enter password of 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, I've successfully sign in. Now let me write it again. Once I click yes and enter same username and password, it will tell me already be taken. Okay, I'm coming. I don't know why it's not responding. Yes. CM Tech
Yeah. Okay.
1 2 3 4 5. I don't know why it did not give me the error. Okay. Let me run
I
it.
think
I'm coming.
you highlighted something here, so maybe you should unhighlight it. I don't know.
Okay. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Okay.
Yes, username.
Same thing.
And I'm going to say CM Tech and password 1 2 3 4 5. And the condition, let me see. I I think my indentation is the problem. Let me type it again. CM Tech. No, I'm coming. Does not run. Yes, CM Tech. And 1 2 3 4 5. It did not run it. It did not run. It did not check. Okay,
Yes.
I'm coming. Let me see something. So, coming. Let me say Y. Then username CM Tech and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and let's see if my indentation is working well. I'm coming. Yes, CM Tech. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is wrong? What? I'm coming. Let Please unmute your mic.
Okay.
I'm coming now. I'm coming. I'm still trying to fix it. I don't know what's wrong. Don't know. Let me wait. Then let me read it again. If it's not working, I'll read it again. So what is it say? S on in the side match and any outer indentation. Okay. Now let's see. Yes. And username CM Tech 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm coming. Let me run this. And okay, since oh, see, my code was correct. Let me put password aside that. Okay, I'm correct. Sorry, my code was right. We are dealing on login. So let me put other password, which or other password or login details, which is not the same to CM Tech and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay,
Yes.
so now I want to put a new password. I will say change. Yeah. Did you see it? It tell me we hate to see you. So my code was correct before. Hello. Do you have any question to ask?
Mm,
Did you have?
so, so sorry. Just sorry. Can kindly repeat it again?
Okay. Now, okay. Now let me explain again. We created a variable, right?
Yes.
A variable, and we said the variable should collect an input, which the person will enter yes or no in
No.
a small letter
Yes.
using the lower case.
Your case.
Then yeah, we use a condition. If the lower login in yes and y, then username
Hmm.
underscore check is equal to input, then enter username in lowercase. And also, if the password check is equal to input enter user password in lower case. Then we gave a conditional statement that if this username is in user key, we have already defined user key before.
Yes.
Use,
Yes.
yeah. So if this username is a user key already matched with this, okay, then if user underscore check is equal to user name, and if password check is equal to user dot get username, okay,
Yes.
it will compare their two. If they are the same, then if they are the same, it will allow you to log in. But if they are not the same, it will tell you that we hate to see you, or if you miss a letter, it will tell you incorrect password or username. Okay,
Mm.
now let
Yeah.
me run it. Let me use yes and CM Tech. I'm going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will accept it. But if I input other details that is not corresponding with CM Tech and the password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it will not run. Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
let's see. Let me put change. Did you see? He said we hate to see you go. Hello. Did you see
Yeah.
it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is Chioma in class?
Yes. Yes, so network kicked me out though. I'm trying to log back in. Hello?
Okay, no problem. Yes, no problem.
That is what I want to ask. This change, why is it not in the password?
Yeah,
They say enter
because
yes to sign in or no to sign out. It's supposed to be like either yes or no.
oh, sorry, this is an example to see that it will tell you incorrect password. Okay, when I
Okay, okay,
use yes, okay, let me use yes.
okay.
Then it will tell me to put change password. It will tell me to put username. When I use username change password, it will tell me incorrect password. So I'm using that to test. Okay, this is a new password now. So let me run it again. Yes, and change, and 1, 2, 3, 4. If I run it again, this
Okay.
password has already been stored. If I input a new password now, yes, and I put savior or CM Tech 1, it will automatically store it. But when I put a wrong details at the beginning,
Okay.
change, it will tell me we hate to see you. Or when I do this like this, okay, let me go back to input CM Tech. Then did you see it?
Okay.
I'll run it again. I'll put yes. Then it will tell me to enter username. When I put username that is not corresponding, let me put the CM Tech again. Or okay, something that is not matched with CM Tech. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. It will automatically record that one. Okay,
Okay. Yes, sir.
so let's try it again. This last time, and then we'll move to the next topic.
Okay, sir.
Okay, We are going to use here Y, and we are going to see MTech.
Yeah.
Then so 1, 2, 3, 4. Huh? Hello.
Yeah.
I can hear you.
So, is there anything you want to say?
Yes, I want to say something. So,
What?
I think we're supposed to. I think that line didn't come out again this time around.
Which line? Oh, this line.
Yes, that print line. I don't know. Maybe, I don't know whether there was a mix of some.
I'm coming.
Okay.
Yes. Username CMTech. I'm coming if the line will show. And password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know why the line is not showing. Oh, okay. Let me check my indentation. It was showing just now. I'm coming. Let's see. Why? It said indentation 4. Okay. Let's say yes. And CMTech. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the line did not print. Okay. Okay, now I'm coming. I'm coming. Let me go back to run this. And wait. Let's start from here so that I'll get everything right. So let's wait. Let's have a little patience. Okay. My network, I don't really know. This network is not just too good today. Now let me put input of yes. Okay. I'm going to say Chioma. Chioma. It said incorrect password. Incorrect password. So let me put CM Tech. Okay, this is correct password. Did you see it? Did
Yes.
you see what happened? So it's just that my first tab will not run it. That's why. Okay.
Mm.
Now when I put Chioma P, it will tell me incorrect password. I'm coming. I have to run the first tab before everything will be working. Okay. I wish
Mm.
I added everything together. Everything would have been working together. Okay, let me put Chioma. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Successfully created. Now let me run it again. Put Chioma. Let me put a word that is not Chioma and put something like this. It will still create it. Okay. So let me see. I'm coming why this code is still accepting values. Oh, did you see it? It said already be taken. If you put this username, when you put a new user, it will tell me it has been created. But if you put the same username, it will tell you that it has already been taken. Okay. Now let's go to the user login. Now I'll use this yes to sign in and the password 12345. It will accept me. Let me log in again. Yes, and 12345. It will accept him. But if I put the password that is not in line with it, look at it. I will put 12. It will say incorrect password. It has checked it. Okay. Now let me
Yes.
come to the user and password validation. Once I run it, I run the second, and I impute CM Tech and the password 1234. It will accept it. But when I put the one that is not in line with it, let's say, and put something like this. Okay. I'm coming now. Okay, CM Tech. Let me put it again. Did you see it? It said already existed because I imputed it the first time. Now let me come to the login. Now I've imputed CM Tech here. I've imputed CM Tech and I want to see if I will log in with CM Tech. I want to see it now. Did you see I cannot log in with CM Tech? But let me see if I can log in with Chioma. Eh? I'm coming. Let me use ES first, please. I made mistake. Let me put CM Tech. And let me put password. It will log in. It will log in. But let me run again and put CS and put username. It will log in. It will log in. But let me put the same login again. It will log in. This is how to create a login. Okay. But when you tell you to sign in and you type in another detail or details that is not in line with it, it will tell you go, we hate to see you. Okay. Hello, Savior.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we are going to a program to find a odd number or even number. A program to find if a number is odd or even number. Now 2 is an odd number, right? Or even number. 2 is an even or odd number, even number or odd. I'm asking a question, please.
It's
Is
an
it
odd number now. Oh, it's even number. It's
okay?
even number. Sorry,
Is 2?
it's even number. Oh my God.
That's why I wanted to ask you again. 2 is an even number because
Yes, sir.
it can divide itself without remainder.
Yes.
And 3 is an odd number. When you divide it, it will have a remainder, right? Hello.
Yes, yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let me run it and impute. Now we are declaring a variable called int int then input. It will enter a number. Then it will convert the input to integer. Now we gave it an if statement. We said if a number is less than 2, then print number should not be less than 2. Else, if a number modulus 2 is equal to 0, modulus, okay, in your in school then, what is modulus? Hello,
Yeah.
what is modulus? What is modulus?
Modulus is
Hello, Chioma, please, what is modulus?
so I think when we are taking modulus of anything, uh, they used to say it's like taking the same thing as taking the absolute value. If it's if they don't consider the sign there, it's a mathematical term. So they use take the absolute value. If it's negative, they will take the value to be absolute.
Okay, modulus are numbers with remainder. Now, this modulus is defined with a percentage. Is defined with a percentage. So, if the number, when you divide it, it has a remainder, it will check if it's equal to 0. But if the modulus is equal to 0, it's an even number. But if it's not equal to 0, it's an odd number. This is the question. Okay.
Yes.
Now, we are going to put an even number first. Let me put 6. When I put 6, did you see it's an even number? It printed it out, right? It's an even
Yes.
number. So let me run it and impute 3. It's an odd number, right?
Yes.
This is how to check for even and odd number. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, still the same way. We can use the other method when we talk about comprehension. Least comprehension. Least comprehension. Okay, can you tell me what is least comprehension? Can you remember what is least comprehension? Can you tell me, Savior?
So, I can't really remember exactly now.
Comprehension. Okay, praise. Can you tell me what is comprehension? Least comprehension.
This comprehension.
This comprehension, this comprehension, this
Hello.
So I can't remember for now.
I can't remember for now. I can't remember for now. I can't remember.
Is Choma in class? Choma, can you try?
I've been racking my head
I've
for
been racking. I've been racking.
can
Okay,
you please
okay.
remind us?
Can you mute? Can you mute? Okay, okay. Let me explain. Mute your mic. Mute your mic. Mute your mic. Let me explain. list comprehension, we'll talk about list comprehension, like writing a multiple line of code, which you can just compare or just write in a single line. Okay, when you are writing a multiple line of code, there's other way you can make that multiple line of code be a single line with just few process. Then it could still give you the same syntax with the one with the multiple line of code. So when you say comprehension, like comprehend, make things look okay. I want to use it in my own language. We want to make it